Hi everyone, back with sympathy cards this time. These are a card that are very difficult to give, let alone to make. And I think clean and simple is the best way to go. So all I'm doing here is I took some VersaMark clear embossing ink on a stamp set, that beautiful stamp set by Indigo Blu. I got it free with a, I think it was a Simply Cards magazine. Love it. So I'm just syncing that up. I've done a card like this before with a different stamp set, so do this technique with just about anything and just change up the stamps pretty much in colours. Although it's a bit busier than my normal sympathy cards, it's very subtle, I think. It was white embossing powder there, so just simple old dragonfly with some plants. This is one of my go-tos stamp sets, the handwritten borders, I think, handwritten something, by Simon Says Stamps. Simon Says Stamp. So now go back to my faithful Tim Holtz Distress Inks to give the card a little bit of colour, make those embossed images stand out a bit more. I had some problem with my ink pads here. They're disintegrating on me. They haven't been used for that long. So I'll have to order some more, because the sponge just doesn't do it with the distress inks, I don't think. Well, not the sponges I'm using anyway. You can actually see the difference between the foam pads as opposed to the sponges when you get a close-up of the card. So now I'm just dividing this, hiding the edge there with some ribbon. I secure the ribbon with some score tape or double-sided tape at the back. I don't on the front usually because I'll add a bow and I need to get underneath to do the bow most times. And I like that it's free as well. Excuse the building noises in the background. Hubby's building another garden. We have to cage the gardens with some chicken wire because of our possums that we have strolling around the place of a night. They tend to love the fruit and veg. So yeah, just a simple old knot for a bow here. Pretty much that's that card done. So I'm going to secure that where the bow is there with the glue dot. Now if anyone's had these glue dots before, tell me how you get them off after sitting there for years, not being used. They just tend to want to stay on the plastic. They used to work great when they were first bought. Have all sorts of problems trying to get them off the plastic. But anyway, that's done. Oh yeah, those stamps usually don't dot the eyes. So I have to go in and dot those when I remember. That's neither here nor there for me. I can do that, no worries. As long as the stamp's nice. So yeah, dimensionalise that top onto the card base, and that's it. I don't tend to put sentiments inside sympathy cards, but yeah, I think that's very effective. But you can notice there where the sponges were used to apply the inks as opposed to the foam. Anyway, it's all good. I'll be back soon. Bye.